guys, thank you much for another video. The camera quality looks weird because we are on a GoPro today. As promised in last video, I said we're gonna do a point of view video with the E92. Finally, we're gonna take out the E92. I haven't driven this thing in so long. You guys haven't even seen it in the vlogs in so long. So we're gonna take it out today on a little drive. Probably gonna just cruise around in my little city and see what we can get into. All right, hopefully this thing even starts. Alright guys, first things first, before we get into today's video, I gotta put some air in my tires because one of them has a leak. So let's go put some air in this tire and then we can get on with our day. So a few weeks ago, I made a point of view video with the E36 and a lot of you guys enjoyed it. That video is almost at 100,000 views. Freaking crazy. Thank you so much for that. Everybody in the comments wanted me to make a point of view video with the E92 this time. So that's what we're gonna do today. So if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, smash the thumbs up button. Let me know what you guys think. I'll do more point of view videos. It's super easy to make and I think it's super fun to watch. I also gotta be careful though because this car is a lot louder than the E36. And there's a lot of cops around my area. If you guys don't know, I have a crazy tune on this car and it shoots massive flames. Like you'll see big old flames coming out the exhaust and it literally sounds like gunshots. I'll try to make it pop right now. Oh shit. It's freaking ridiculous. It pops like crazy. Actually, I'm gonna back it in. I don't know which one it was. I think it's this one or the other one. I think it was this one. Alright, gonna get the tire to about 40 PSI. 35-ish. I wanna put 40 just because this one does have a leak. So it's gonna go down to 35. So we got air in the tires. We're pretty good on gas. Not really, but gas is too expensive right now. For 2 cars. For those of you wondering what exhaust setup I have, it's full straight pipe, no muffler, no cats, nothing. It's just a full-on straight pipe. It's probably not even that loud on camera, but if you guys have heard my car in person, let everybody know how loud it is. It's freaking ridiculous. I can't really do any pulls right now because we are in the very populated area of my city, but we're gonna make a drive out to Mexico and do some crazy stuff. Oh, there's a cop. What's up, officer? My car is not straight pipe. All right, well, here we are at the car wash. There's a nice Subaru right there. A Camaro. Hey. Oh my God. I really haven't washed this car in over a month. It really needs a full-on detail, but this should help a lot. Guys, keep in mind I have a GoPro on my head and everybody's looking at me funny. Alright, got the car all dried off. It looks super clean for a 10-minute car wash. I think we're good. Cleaner than it was. People probably think there's a drive-by or something. It literally sounds like gunshots. It is 3 o'clock, so on a Friday, so there's a lot of cars out right now. Let's do a little pull. Do E92 content again. I know there's been so much E36 videos. I'm just super hyped, you know. I barely bought that car. I was hyped to put everything on it. I've already done so many mods to it. But yes, we're gonna get back into some E92 stuff. Also this weekend there's a BMW meet and I'm gonna take the E92. Ooh, E30! Oh shoot! And it was red. Alright, we're gonna stop at this little place that I know about. Somewhere in Mexico where I know there's not that many cars and no tops. Usually this parking lot's empty, but it looks like there's a lot of people. Alright guys, you ready? Found a place in Mexico. Out of this area before some cops show up. Guys, this car is so much fun to swing around. It's super easy to control this car. I don't know what it is about the E92s, but it's super easy. I could literally whip it around with one hand. I freaking love this car, dude. You guys gotta smash the like button for that. That was probably the hardest clip I've ever recorded. I'm gonna post it on my Instagram too. I wish I just had unlimited tires and I could just do that all day long. Cause that was so much fun. What is it? A Hemi? He honestly doesn't look like he'd want to race. Take some photos of this car. I haven't had a photo shoot of this car in I don't know how long. I've been just reposting old photos of the car on Instagram. I have my camera with me. Try to find a spot to take a cool photo or two. Made it to the parking structure. It should be a pretty cool spot to take some photos. Oh, there's one alarm. How fast do you think we'll get kicked out of here, guys? that alarm's still going on. I'm sorry. Alright, so on the last point of view video, I did like a behind the scenes of the photos, and you guys really enjoyed that. Again, I use a Sony a7R II with a 35mm lens. I edit all my photos in Lightroom, and I'm gonna show you guys right now some photos. Rear. Alright, one more picture and I think we're good. Hey. Yeah guys, I think we're done. As always, I put the photos on the screen right here. that dude. So all the streets are pretty packed right now. A lot of cars, a lot of cops probably. I might just grab some food and call it a day. So much traffic now. It's about 4 p.m. on a Friday. And we're back home. Both cars are back in the garage. And I think I'm gonna end the video right there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Finally, some E92 content. I know you guys have been waiting for that. I also have been waiting for that. Comment down below what else I could do to the E92. This really needs something new. I don't know if it's a new wrap, new wheels. I don't know. I think the E92 is due for a new mod. This weekend we're also gonna take out the E92 and go to a big car meet. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button. Subscribe to your boy if you're not already. Thank you for all the love on the past few videos. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.